What's going on, everybody? Wanted to do a quick video and show you a new piece of shop equipment that I've got here in the shop that I'm super excited about. I've wanted one of these things for a long time, and it was like solid, decent used car money. It was expensive. But before I show it to you, I just want to share something with you. So we sell all of the shop equipment at redlinestands.com, and it's very, very common that when we want to carry a new product, the first thing we do is we buy just one, and I take the thing home and I test it. That drill press right there is an excellent example of one of those products. This thing, I brought it home, and it works pretty dadgum good. It's solid, but it's just not quite good enough that we're willing to offer it at Redline, and offer it to our customers and then deal with problems, and things like that. So at the end of the day, that drill press was an item that, there's only one. I got it here in my shop, and don't get me wrong, that's awesome, and that I get to, at the end of the day, be like a guinea pig, for free shop equipment that Redline buys. I bring it home, I test it, and if it's good enough, it maybe one day ends up on our website. That is a work table that I built in high school, and I've been using it for over 20 years. It's a pretty solid work table, but to be honest with you, it's not as what I want it to be. What I want it to be is a welding table, and I wanted one of those things for a long time. Man, you want to talk about heavy. I had to use my car lift just to get that thing off of my trailer, and once I finally got it off of my trailer and I got the legs bolted onto it, I ultimately decided to use some 1-inch square tubing and just build like a little shelf down here and then put some 3/4 inch plywood on top of it, so I've got some good storage space, here as well as down here. So I did that. I got the thing moved over into place. I bought this table with all kinds of just extra bracketry and fittings and whatnot. And so far, I'm really impressed with the quality of this stuff. If I were to take one of these things and show it to you, everything is CNC machined. It fits together like a glove. I find it to be pretty cool that you've got all of these rubber O-rings on all of the pins that hold everything into it just holds everything, so it gives you time to be able to clamp everything in place so that you don't really need a third hand. So I bought it with all kinds of extra clamps and brackets. You see some of the brackets right there, just all kinds of extra stuff, as well as these great big fixtures. These things, they are heavy. Like, that thing probably weighs 90 pounds. So really, really heavy duty stuff. Down here on the end, I've got some more clamps, as well as some 45-degree clamps that I bought for this thing. So hopefully I got it with enough fixtures. Maybe I'll want more. I don't know. We'll see. But at the end of the day, I'm going to use this thing for probably 6 to 12 months and, see what I think of it. And if I think the quality is high enough, it may be a product on the website in the future one day. We'll see. Just wanted to show it to you. Might post some updates on it in the future and let you know my thoughts of it. Y'all have a great Sunday.